Hello sewing buddies, Javiria here, and so we're not doing any sewing today. Instead, we are making these cute little gift tags. So of course, when you sew something, you're about to give something to someone, you'd obviously need some gift tags. And I'm gonna show you how to make these super cute but super inexpensive gift tags from scraps of paper lying in your home right now. So come and join me. They're super easy and super quick to make as well, and they add a really nice personalized touch to literally any gift. So grab the free SVG files by signing up for the VIP list and come and join me for the tutorial. Okay, so for this tutorial you would be needing your magical Cricut maker, your light grip mat, which is perfect for cutting out cardstock paper, and of course you would be needing some cardstock paper, and maybe you're gonna also need your Cricut spatula. So get all your supplies and let's get started. To cut out the gift tag, first of all go to Design Space, which is design.cricut.com. Next, click on New Project, then click on Upload. Over here, upload the file that you grabbed from the free library.
Click on Browse and then upload the file that you downloaded from the free library. I'm just going to click on it and it's going to upload it here by itself, and this is what you should see. So once you're done uploading, just click on Save. Now click on the image and then click on Insert Images. So this is what you should have. Now if you click on Make It, you will see that the software automatically distributes everything on different mats based on different colors. So all you got to do is prepare 3 different mats with 3 different colors. 3 different colors of cardstock, and you can cut them all out together. So once you're done, just click on Continue. Now it's time to connect the machine and choose the material.
And from here, just click on medium cardstock depending on the type of paper that you're using. Now it's time to load the mat.
Also, one more thing to keep in mind is to make sure that you switch on mirror, so that when you get this thing cut, it gets cut on the right side.
Now go ahead and place your cardboard pretty side down on the mat, as you can see I've done over here. Next, just load it into the machine and make sure your blade is installed. Mine is over here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and load the mat and get this thing cut. Alright, all done. Now it's time to unload the mat. Now I'm just going to use my spatula to pull everything out. Never ever touch the mat with your fingers because it's just going to reduce the life of your mat. I'm just going to keep this aside. Okay, so here are both the tags all cut, and now it's up to you if you want to glue this on top of each other, or you can just take a simple twine or yarn and just put it through the hole and tie it on a gift. It's totally up to you. You can just keep it like this, or you can glue it together. So I like it both ways. So I think I like it more this way, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. Alright, so all done. Super simple gift tags are ready. So that's it. Our tags are ready, and once again, don't forget to grab the free file by signing up for the VIP list given down below.